Hey guys, I'm over here working on a project while the 3D printer is running, just to show you guys something kind of interesting. So one of the challenges that I've been having for quite a while was being able to basically export a file like this, which is a 3D file, as a 2D file. So for example, if you want to do 3D printing, you would need a 3D file which is called STL. You would need to take that STL and put it inside of a slicer software like Ultimate Akira, which is also the manufacturer of this 3D printer. And after you do that, you would have to convert that file into you need to slice the file into layers, G-code. You need to convert the file into G-code for the 3D printer to work. Now, I don't want to 3D print this. This has to be manufactured from metal, 3mm thick metal, and you can see the shape. It's kind of complex, and I couldn't just export as STL. Normally, I'll go to here and I just click like exports, and then I'll go and do all of this. This format is STL, and over here I never saw any option for something called DXF, right? And DXF is the file that I need. But recently, actually, I decided to take a look down the list, and what I saw was this option of actually there's no option here. I realized I couldn't do that. But what I realized is if I instead click on the face of the object, right click, I can export as DXF, and when I do that, I can actually get a file, right? So this is how you do it. And then when you export, I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So I've downloaded them already. You can see them here and here. You can see DXF for side plates exported with polylines. I had to put all these details just to be sure, so I know the settings that I chose. Polylines, Z height equals 0 mm. Sorry about the background noise. Just a sec. And then there's the other one, which is a version. This one is version release 14, while this is version 2018. I can show you what I mean. Let me show you here. You can right click, export as DXF or DWG. Sorry for the noise. Anyways, so over here there are different versions, and I've seen a lot of people going for 2018. But this is also kind of the default that I've seen. So I chose either of those two. And then I wanted to view what that file would look like, because I don't have any software in my computer. Jeez, the background noise, guys. I don't have any software in my computer to actually view this. So what I did was to go online to search for an online platform that I can actually view a DXF. All I did was just type DXF file viewer online. It's auto-generated, and I clicked on this random option, and that's what I got. I clicked there, and it loaded me up to this website. So I just need to put my file here. So what I did first, I tested either of those two file formats. And this is why it's important to test, because I need to be sure that when I send the file out to a manufacturer, it will actually work. So I'm trying first to release 14. And I drop it here. Let's wait for a sec. And it looks like, I don't know if anything has happened, but I can't see anything. I'm scrolling down, I see nothing. It's a blank sheet, guys. Sorry about my screen, it's a bit dirty, but it's a blank screen. There's nothing there. But actually there is something there. I've tested this before. There is something there. If I go to present, I still don't see anything, it's blank. But if instead I go to download PDF and it generates a PDF file, you'll see actually that there's something there, which is the actual file. So I don't know if this will work if I send to a manufacturer, or if it's going to bring some issues, but anyways, the PDF does show the outline like I wanted. So just a 2D view of that same file from the face that I selected, which is brilliant. But like I said, over here I can come and just download, for just keepsake. But I don't need that. What I need is I need something reliable. So let's go back and let's try this again. But instead of doing the release 14, we will try this other option, which is the version 2018. So let me quickly drag and drop that and wait for a sec. See what happens. And boom! This is exactly what I expected from the first go, right? Like, why should I be stressed or worried? This gives me everything. Like, I can come to present and it shows up, and there's no issue there. I can see what the file looks like in 2D. I can go to download PDF, and same case like the previous one. The PDF generates very, very well with the side view there, and then the entire file zoomed in. So like I said, guys, this is exactly what I needed. I will be going with this version 2018. I don't know if this is a constant for all cases. I mean, I don't know if in some case this will be better, or in some case this will be better. I'll be experimenting as time goes on to see. But this file is going to be sent out for laser cutting. So that is why I need it to be as accurate as possible. I know the laser cutter might not be able to get this very sharp edge, but I don't really need the sharp edge. It's just the entire part, which actually fits into, let's see if I can show you here, this assembly, no, not this assembly, like this assembly. So this is how the file actually looks like when it's all assembled, right? You can see there's two plates on the side, and then there's a mount from one side. You get the details later when I share. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.